Hey guys, it's the same date that we assembled the 2x2 cube, the shengshou. We're gonna be messing around with it more tonight. I'm gonna be doing a review on this right now. So let's do corner cutting. So gonna do 10. Does 10. No 20, 15? Yeah, it does 15. It's not going any more than 15, or maybe 17 or something. But yeah, it's a 2x2. It's supposed to be a speedcube, but I actually don't know speedcube move. Yeah. Let's see if I could actually solve it from here, because I'm a noob at this. See if I could actually do this. Oh, what do you know, I can. Easy solve. I guess it was just set up like this. Yeah, I think pretty much anyone could do that, because red and red, basically all you have to do is just reverse them pretty much, and go like that. Yeah, easy solve, basic stuff. So, everyone, I'm pretty sure, has heard of a 2x2. There's usually 3 screws in there. White. Where's blue? There it is. In these 3 colors, something happened that might have just caused internal bandaging. I think I messed something up, guys. Whoa! Something needs to be tightened over here. Okay, I'm gonna tighten blue a little bit and white just a tad. Oh, much better. Doesn't have the speed I wanted anymore, but whatever. I just don't want my cube to get internal bandaging. So we're gonna do this a little bit. I'm gonna do a quick solve for you guys, and that's pretty much it. There's nothing to do much with the 2x2 because it doesn't shapeshift, it doesn't jumble, doesn't do any of that. It's just a normal shengshou speed cube. So I'm solving it right now is what I'm doing. I don't know much algorithms. I guess I could go find the sheet for you guys. So, be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back here. These are the algorithms I learned to solve it. It's backwards for me. It's probably not backwards for you guys. So, take a good look at it. So, those are just the regular algorithms. This is the algorithms. Like if I solve white and then I get yellow, that's the algorithm I learned to do it. And those are the steps that you could, and those are the patterns down here. Like you could get any of these patterns once you solve the right layer. Say it's yellow. Let's say it's yellow right here. You're gonna have to keep doing this algorithm case over and over again. Then once you get your 3 sides, you do this algorithm and it's solved. Do that algorithm 1 or 2 times and solved. So, yeah. Anyways, I'm going to do a solve based on this algorithm sheet. So, let's get to it. So, let's get to it. So, I'm back here with a mixed cube, as you see here. So, let's do this. So, I don't know. Take a quick look at the algorithms again. We're going to do that real quick. So, let's start with the white side. Okay, We have the white side with the bottom layer, and the light's glaring at me. Hang on, guys. Much better. So, we have the white side right now. So now we're going to do the algorithms, and just like it said, we have that case right up here. We have that case right up here with the one corner, so we're going to do what it says here. So, R inverted, front, up, front inverted, U inverted, R inverted. So, here we go. I read that backwards because I'm an idiot. Okay, so then we're going to do the algorithm. We're going to do that algorithm. So, R inverted, U, F, etc. We have case number 6 now, so case number 3 now, case number 7, and case number 8. So, hey guys, got cut off. I'm going to finish this really quick. Sorry, it's upside down. Alright, done guys. Alright. I'm going to go now. Bye. Because